I haven't met, I'm Jen Gann. I am the Assistant University Registrar for Curriculum and the editor of the Bulletin. I am waiting on our trainer. I know she had a session directly before this, so she should be here any minute. This training session will mostly go over the most common things you'll encounter when you're editing your bulletin pages, including opening different sections of your page, managing different types of formatting and tables, and moving your pages forward in the workflow. We'll be hearing today from Anna O'Neill, who is the training manager at Leepfrog Technologies, which is the company that develops and supports the CAT software used to manage the bulletin. I'll mostly plan to keep an eye on the chat and add any add any comments as things come up and answer any questions I can. You should all have received the Bulletin user guide and other supporting documentation when I sent out that Bulletin opening email in December. Hopefully some of your questions can be answered with that, but you can always call, email, or Teams chat me with questions as
okay, bye.
Started. And in addition, this training is being recorded, and I'll get that posted to the Bulletin user guide site too if there are things you need to refer back to. Oh, and I see Anna is here, so let me add her as a host here. And I think we are ready to turn things over to Anna if, unless anybody has any questions at the outset here. Okay, great. But yeah, throw anything, any questions you have into the chat and we'll learn as we go.
Jen, sorry, I hopped on a minute late. My Zoom was having trouble zooming, as it were. It knows it's a Friday afternoon, I guess. All righty. Welcome, everybody. Thanks for having me here. My name is Anna O'Neill. I am a trainer with the company that runs the catalog software called CAT. If you're new to editing the catalog, welcome. And we're going to go over everything basically from the outset of like how to access your catalog up through how to submit your pages. So we'll be talking about all of that. And by catalog, I do mean bulletin. Alrighty, so let me go ahead and copy this link for you, put it in the chat so that you can all have access. Would recommend if you learn well, like kinesthetically, feel free to follow along and join in as I go. It's way better than listening to me talk at you for an hour. So, what is the point of CAT or the catalog software? The point, of our training in CAT, the point is to understand the functions of our toolbars today. They have just a lot of kind of status information and some tools to help us look at our page maybe from different ways and to feel comfortable making edits to our catalog pages. So those are our two main goals for today. Man, every single time I use this PowerPoint, I think I need to erase the animation on here because it drives me crazy. And then I forget because at the end of the training, I'm like, all right, we're done. So how are we going to accomplish those two goals today? We'll talk about the benefits of the catalog, the basics of the catalog, how to access and edit your pages. We'll talk about resources from my company that you might find useful. And of course, Jen can feel free to jump in whenever necessary. Now, the benefits of the catalog software is that it is accessible on all browsers. So if you're wondering which browser should I access that link you just sent us, whichever one you want. Go for Chrome, Firefox, Edge, any of those. I prefer Chrome, so feel free. Safari. It is pairable on all devices, so your students who use their phones instead of their laptops should be able to access it. It is ADA compliant and relatively easy to use and search.
Hi, Anna, real quick. Are you intending to share your screen right now? Because we're not seeing the PowerPoint.
Oh my goodness gracious. Apparently my brain also knows that it's a Friday afternoon. Yes, I am sharing, but that information
There we
maybe
go. Thank
is
you.
less important than this. So thanks for letting me know now. Alrighty. There we go. So two terms you're going to need to know when you're in the catalog. Number one is a page owner, and number two is an approver. The first term we're going to talk about today is page owner. A page owner is just the first person that goes in and makes changes to the catalog. We typically call this a page owner in a role. So you might have a role in the system. My example here is Biol Administrative Assistant or the Biology Unit Department something something or the Biology Chair. Those are different roles in the system that give you different access to different pages to update only the pages you should have access to. And then an approver is someone who approves those changes that are made by those owners. Okay, so approvers are going to exist in a workflow. When the owner is done making their edits to their page, they're going to see a big green Start Workflow button on the bottom of the screen. They click that, then that page goes on to the first approver in the workflow to take a look. A couple other terms you're going to find useful. We have two different kind of websites, as it were, that our catalog is on. The one we're going to is an editing site. It is just an editing environment. We're going to be in there updating and editing our catalog, and that's going to be approved first before it goes to our live catalog or bulletin. So you don't have to worry that any changes you're making in your next environment right now are being published live as you make them. That is not happening. Do not worry. Only after they go through the entire, they then be, the whole bulletin will then be published live at the same time for everybody else to access. The live catalog is only available for editing for CAT administrators, so CourseLeaf software administrators, and that's when it's publishing live to your site. Now, we talked a little bit about workflow being an approval path. Kind of what does it mean though? When you hit that Start Workflow button, a workflow is generated. That workflow will automatically populate a series of steps in the software that the page has to go through to be fully approved. Once it's fully approved, you'll see at the bottom of the screen, and I'll show you, it's in done status. That's when it's ready to be published. It's not going to be able to skip over anybody in this approval path. It just goes straight through the approval path. So if you wanted to skip over somebody, that's going to be a question for Jen. A site admin will have to take a look at that. Now, what do all of those people giving approval in a workflow actually do? What will they see? They'll see a page that looks just like a catalog page. Now, this is from my demo site, so it looks different than your site. But they'll see a catalog page. They're going to be able to see any changes that were made and by whom. They'll see changes in red and green markup. So if anything has been added, it's green. If anything's been deleted, it's red. That's pretty simple there. And then up in the right-hand corner, and I kind of blew them up here on the title line so you could see, they could do one of three things. They could edit, roll back, or approve. If it's within their role at the institution to go ahead and edit that page, they can click that edit button. It's going to open up that page for them to have access to and make whatever edits they need. If it's not really within their purview to edit, or there's too much for them to edit in their role, maybe they'll roll it back to you. If they roll the page back to you, they will have to provide a comment as to why. So you shouldn't just be getting an email that's like, hey, fix your catalog. You'll be like, what? I already submitted it. I don't know what you want. So they will have to provide a comment. The other thing the next person or people in line can do is just approve all the way through. So if the next person hits approve and there's another step, it'll go to the next person. If they hit approve and there's another step, that's how workflow continues until that done status. Alrighty. There are some help sites. I'm actually going to show you how to access those in a different screen, but our main help site is luc.courseleaf.com. This is the site that has kind of any and all documentation. The actual page that's going to be more useful to you than just that general one is the one I've highlighted down here to add into the chat there. If you try to go into it, but you haven't logged in before, you'll see a login screen asking you to log in, asking you which institution you're a part of. The institution on our site is going to be called WUSTL. but you can just search for Washington U and it should take you there. It'll allow you to look at it there. All righty. So that's just kind of the basics. I know we went over it quickly. It's because we got 1 hour. So we're going to get into the details here as we go through. Again, feel free to put questions in the chat. I do have it open now on the side of my screen. So I should see those as you post them. Of course, if you have any questions for Jen as well, or anybody on Jen's team, also feel free to post those there too. Now here we're looking at our 25-26 bulletin. You'll notice as I hover over that, it is a hyperlink. It's just a home button. So if you're anywhere on the site and you see 25-26 bulletin, go ahead and click that button. It'll take you back to your landing page. Now you'll notice that my link is very different from your link. That's because I work for CourseLeaf. I promise I'm in the right place and you're in the same place as me if you are seeing this on your site, being at the next bulletin.wustl.edu. You can also navigate through the site through these buttons up at the top. So I can click About. It's going to take me to that general About info. Or instead, I'm going to click back out here to our home. I could also use these links on the side as well. Maybe I'm interested in undergrad info. As I click there, you'll notice that more child pages, these links that kind of are the children of the larger links, populate underneath with any link I click on the right-hand side. So I could click majors, for example, and it's going to have a list of all of our undergrad majors. I could instead go into arts and sciences, and it's going to tell me what are the fields of study, degree requirements, etc. So feel free to kind of make yourself comfortable with the navigation of your site. Some of them are child pages, some of them are just listed on the side, but not technically child pages of the pages above them. So click around, get comfortable with where things are on the site if you're new to editing. Now you'll notice as I click through some of these that, let me get actually into a different one here. As I click these links, the more kind of indentations I move over to the right-hand side, you'll also notice this little breadcrumb trail here. That breadcrumb trail is really just helping us know where we are located in the catalog. So if you don't want to use the back button up here, you want to stay kind of in the catalog and know where you are. These are hyperlinks to take you back out to the links that you just clicked through. Okay. So that's kind of the basics of navigating. You can search in the catalog as well. For example, if I search the word biology and hit enter, I'm going to get some search results that include the word biology. Typically, the search works by having those things kind of at the higher level show up. So department levels with the word biology in them, those with biology in the actual URL are going to show up. And then as we go further down, it'll be more like there is a program that requires a biology course or something. So that is the goal of the search, to be a hierarchical search. Feel free to test that out as you search. Maybe that is the easiest way for you to access your pages. So that's a basic introduction, and then that's a basic kind of how to navigate. I'm going to be in our majors biology link today, although it's saying, no, you will not be. Let me go out into here real quick. It said, no, you're not. Please don't. There we go. So I'm going to be in this page today. The first time you navigate to the page, if you haven't started editing anything yet, it's going to look like this. Now you'll see your breadcrumb trail. You'll see where you are on the right-hand side. I'm going to be on our biology major page today because I wanted to show you some of the tools that have to do with like course lists and stuff. And this makes the most sense for this kind of a tool. But the tools we're going to talk about today, many of them can be used even if you're not editing course lists specifically. So feel free to navigate to a page that you should have editing access to. I'm going to be on this page. Would recommend you're not on the exact same page as me because otherwise we will get a concurrency error because we're both trying to update the same data at the same time. So any other page will do, just not undergrad, art sci, majors, biology-BA. Give you a second to navigate there. First things first, on my page, you will notice something different than if you are on a major page. Mine has another tab right here called Training tab. That's because I created it. If you're on a program page, like a major page, you're not going to see an extra tab there. That's normal, and that's how it should be. You're probably just going to see your information here. Let's talk about what to do when you want to start editing your page. First things first, there's an edit page button in the upper left-hand corner of your screen. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. If you have access to the page, you'll see the toolbars that I can see on the top and bottom of my screen. If you don't have access to the page, it's going to say edits cannot be made at this time. You're not an editor of this page. If you think you should have access and you're seeing the you can't edit this page alert, let Jen know, and then she can either direct you to a different page you do have access to, or give you access to the page if you are supposed to have access. So, edit page should open two toolbars if you have access. We're actually going to start at the bottom toolbar, even though that might seem a little counterintuitive. It'll show you who you're logged in as. So I am logged in as myself as a trainer. Translations does not apply to us, so we're just going to skip over that. Page owner. This goes back to our first vocab word. The page owner of this page is the AS Biol owner. So if you are in this role and you click edit page, you'll see what I'm seeing. If you're not in this role, you're not going to be able to edit this page. So as a reminder, that page owner is the person who comes in and makes kind of our first edits to our page. Workflow here is a hyperlink, but it also has a list of roles after that hyperlink. So here we can see that after the owner hits start workflow, it's going to go to this biology notification step, then the arts and science undergrad program page, standard workflow. How do I know who those people are and what that even means? I can click this workflow hyperlink. It's a dark blue button. And when I click it, or it's a dark blue text, when I click it, it's going to open up kind of a pop-up window that's going to show me what are these steps. Okay. Let's make it a little bit bigger here so you can see. So for any given page, you might have a different workflow. That's a good thing. That's how it's supposed to be. We don't want the biology people approving the chemistry page, for example. So here we've got our biology person, Douglas Chalker, in as the biology notification first step. You'll notice the email address of the next person is there, followed by whoever is in that step. You also might notice that there are many people in the following step. If there's a step with many people in it, only one person has to go in and either approve or edit or send back the page that's sent to them. You'll see it keeps going and going and going. The final approval step is this bulletin final step. Once this person or group of people approves at this step, we're saying, all right, that catalog page is done and ready to be published. If you need to contact anybody in a step after you, this is how you see who they are and what order they're going to be checking your pages. Let me make my screen a little smaller. Beside that, you're going to see a revision history button that just shows you what this page looked like at the last time it was approved. Editing is our page status here. Now, if you had just freshly clicked into this page and you hadn't made any edits yet, it might say something like not yet started or at rest or something like that. So you'll have options there like not yet started, at rest, editing. It might also say in workflow. So once I click the Start Workflow button, it would be in workflow moving step to step. And once it's through workflow, it will say done there. So we'll know that our catalog page is done and ready to be published. Of course, you have a record of who edited what when, and this is that big green Start Workflow button I mentioned earlier when you're done with all of your edits. I'm going to make this less obnoxiously large for now, and we're actually going to start talking about how to edit the page. So you'll notice when you click that edit page, that's when some pencils open up on your page. So I see some pencils here. Also in my toolbar, I'm seeing some pencils up here. You're only going to see one pencil in your toolbar, and it's that page body pencil. That's how you're going to be able to edit the information that's on your page. Now, if you're on a page that has multiple tabs, so I'm here on a program page, there's typically only one tab. If there are multiple tabs, you'll see a pencil for each tab up here that you can edit. Additionally, that pencil for our page body does the exact same thing as this edit page body pencil down here. So I could either click this edit page body or that page body, and it's going to open up a page body editor for me. Now, because I'm a trainer and I'm not trying to actually change your published curriculum, I'm going to go to the training tab here. So that's how you do it when you have multiple tabs. Just click into that tab and I'll see also edit training tab. Matches that pencil at the top. I could click either one to edit my page. Once I click that link, it's going to open up what we call the page body editor. And this is where we're going to hang out most of our time today, getting into the intricacies of editing our page bodies. Any questions so far on like navigating or how to access this like edit page body or edit tab button before we get into the depths? Alrighty. Once we are in our page body editor, any changes that we make here will end up showing up here as long as we press either this save button at the top, which allows me to save and keep typing, or the OK button at the bottom, which will save what I'm doing and close out my page body editor. So it does not save as you go. You do need to click that save button or the OK button at the bottom of your page body editor. Let me make this big enough for us. So I have a pithy little paragraph here about what the page body editor does. Feel free to read it or completely ignore it. But what we're going to be talking about are the tools that allow us to type like this. So you'll notice first thing, I've got some headers here. This is for accessibility purposes. So you'll notice if I highlight my training for CAT editors, that populates with a heading to style. That's because people who are using screen readers are going to be able to know, okay, this is the beginning of a topic. This is actually a header. If I were to, instead of using a heading here, if I just change my heading back to normal text and bold, what's going to happen is this is going to be bad for people who are using some accessibility tools to help them read the page. So we definitely don't want to have bold text as a header. You can use bold text in there all you want, but we don't want to have it as a header because it will cause some accessibility issues for us, for our users. I'm going to leave it here because I want to show you what happens when you do that. So I'm breaking my own rules at the moment. But in this drop down, you'll see you have heading 2, 3, 4, 5, all the way down to 6. You do want to make sure that you use a heading 3 after a 2, and a 4 after a 3, and a 5 after a 4, so that your page is accessible. Now, you can type in here. I can just type information, just like Microsoft Word or something.
Oh, gotcha. I gotcha.
Sorry. You can also paste in here as well. So If I want to paste information from, let's say, Microsoft Word or from another website, how do I do that? Hypothetically, you could Control C and Control V into this window. However, don't do that because if you are copying information from Microsoft Word, for example, there are going to be formatting things that are there from Microsoft Word, maybe anchors, maybe some different types of bullets and numbers and that sort of thing that are not aligned with the template that is set up for our catalog. We want our catalog again to be accessible, but also, oh gosh, what's the word? Uniform throughout all of our catalog pages. So if I'm going to take some text from a Word document, for example, and put it in here, what I'm going to want to do is I'm going to want to use one of the buttons in the upper left-hand corner. So we've got these three buttons. I know I'm zooming in crazily so you can see the buttons, but we've got a paste from Word button. We've got a paste as plain text button, and we've just got like a regular paste button. All three of these buttons are preferable to just Control V in the window. You can Control V within this tool. So I'm taking just some of an outline from a training, putting it into this area here. I can Control C outside, Control V in the box. It's fine. And when I hit OK, you'll notice that it formats it appropriately. So my weird, awful Microsoft Word numbering system that I had was then changed. So one more time, if I Control V in here, notice I've got bold as a header. I've got a 0, 1, 2. It doesn't make any sense. If I hit OK, it properly formats that information here in our page body editor. Okay. So pasting from Word, you'll use this W paste button. Now, if you are copying from a website, maybe we're copying from like another WashU website or something like that, and we want it to be in here, you will need to use the paste as plain text tool, which does, yes, it strips the formatting, but that's intentional. So if you use paste as plain text, oops, my cursor was in a weird spot. Sorry, give me 1 second. If you paste as plain text, it's going to look just like this instead of my regular bullets. But if we are copying from another website into a page body editor, we do need to paste as plain text. There might be some HTML formatting in the back that we can't even see from the front side, which might cause issues with our template here within our site. But it's going to cause actually even more issues when we create a PDF version of our catalog once it's done. So please use paste as plain text if you are pasting in from a website. So now we've got, if I click OK, it will save my changes. And if I scroll down on my page, I'll see, oh yes, this is a nice looking actual set of bullets and numbers there. And we'll see my plain text there. Nothing too crazy, but did want to bring that up. It's so tempting to just Control V. And to be honest, I do it sometimes on our help sites as I write documentation there, and then I regret it. I regret it later. So don't forget, use these tools there. All right. I know I'm going quickly. It's because we only got an hour, so I'm just going to keep moving on through. We can link to pages here in the page body editor that are either internal to our catalog. So they're going to start with that next bulletin.wustl.edu website, or external from our catalog. And those are going to be literally any other site, including wustl.edu. That is considered an external site. So how do I link internally to another page in the catalog? Let me grab an example page. I'm just going to go to some other page, arts and sciences, for example. If I want to link to a page within the catalog, what I'll do is I will copy just the relative URL of this page. I don't need the whole thing, just anything after the .edu. So here is /undergrad/artsci. I'll go right to where I want to copy or paste that link. I'll highlight my text just like I would in an email or something. click the hyperlink tool. It does look like a link there. And I'll paste just my relative URL. If you want to, you can open it in a new window. I do know we improved our accessibility for opening pages in new windows, although I do also know typically it's less accessible to open in a new window. So keep that in mind when you decide whether or not to open in a new window. I don't know why it's moving on me. I'll click OK. Now you can see that there is a hyperlink internal to the catalog on my page. Sorry, I clicked out of that. When I hit OK, I'm back on my page and I can see, yep, if I click that link, indeed, it works. Takes me to College of Arts and Sciences. Now for external links, that's going to be exactly the opposite process. Well, exactly the opposite process when we're copying our link. So I just clicked out of our catalog into our regular washu.edu website. I'm going to go ahead and Control C the entire thing, including the https:// before. I'm going to Control C, and then I'm going to come back into my page body editor. And this part of the process is exactly the same. Highlight my text, put my URL in the same place I did before, hit OK, and hit OK just to check. And now I can see there's a little pop-out box next to that link indicating it's an external site. And if I click on there, it should take me right out there to our external site. So internal site links, just the relative URL. External site links, everything including the HTTPS. Don't want to leave that out of there. And I realize I was using your client code internally for our organization. So let me actually, no, it doesn't let me edit the text now. I realize this is washu.edu. My apologies, everyone. There we go. Alrighty. Next, we also have mail to links. Now, I don't suspect you'll be using this much in your catalog because you already have other ways to put contact information in your catalog. But if you ever do need to put an email address in the actual text of your page, the way you can do that and make it prettier than just an email address, we could say email Anna O'Neill. And then you're going to highlight that text, hit that link, and then in the URL, you'll put mail to : no spaces or anything, and then hit that email address because I've done this before. So that auto-populated. I'll hit OK. And now that's an email link to me. Can do that as well. Two other types of links that we got in here. The first one is linking to course information. So if I click out of my editor real quick, just to show you what this other page looks like, clicking over into my other tab, you can see that there are some course codes that if you click on them, they're showing you the entire course description. You've got the number of credits, you've got prereqs listed, you've got even other things that I'm not even sure what they are, A and S, I, Q in there. You've got typical offerings of the course. All of this information is coming in from your student information system, and it will show up as links for the most part. We'll talk about this current editing cycle in a little bit, but it will show up as links in your course lists here. But you can also link them in text as well. So here underneath, we can see students may substitute Chem 401. If I click Chem 401, even though it's not in my list, it's still kind of a pop-out link to the information for Chem 401. How do I make that happen in text? You can see there are tons of these examples here. To make that happen in text, there are a couple ways I could do it. The first way is to just hold Control and hit D in my page body editor. So Control D will open up what's called an inline course tool. And this is basically just linking to courses within the line of text. That's why it's called that. You can go ahead and select whatever department you're trying to link from, click the course you're wanting to link. You can even choose the format that you would like to show. I'm a simple course code kind of gal, so I'll just have the course code there. Additionally, if I wanted to, I could go ahead and start typing the course code, highlight it, and then hit Control D, and it will do it automatically for me. Granted, it will do the default formatting, so if that's way too much, then I'll still have to double click back in, go in and change that formatting if I want to. Anytime you want to change any of these things in a blue box, all you got to do is double click to get in there, and you can change it, for example, from 112 to 1122. Yes, yes. So, Jessica, great question. Currently, this is a good time for us to talk about this topic. Currently, you have and or are switching over to Workday. So right now, what is happening is we're actually pulling this data from our SIS. Right now there are a few kinks in the process of the move over to Workday and what is being imported into the catalog from Workday. So if you're not seeing certain things in that inline course kind of drop down, that might be the reason for that at the moment. If that's the case, you're not going to be able to link this way to your classes. I did choose bio. Bio seems to be working, but not everyone's are going to be up and running at the moment. So I wanted to show it because it's a way that we can link to SIS information, but TBD, pay attention to registrar emails and kind of how they would like for you to proceed with these kinds of tools as we go forward. Great question. Thanks for bringing it up. Oh man, SIS is, great fun. They are beasts of databases, so I got to give them some credit because I mean, I wouldn't want to manage that much information, to be honest. So, but once I click out of my page body editor, I can see, yeah, mine is currently working because it is being imported currently from Workday here. So those types of imports coming in, whether in this kind of a link or in course lists right now, might be a bit finicky. So again, follow the advice of the registrar when it comes to whether or not to use these kind of database-based tools. You do also have the ability to anchor. So if I wanted to anchor to required courses, for example, all I got to do is click before the title, go up to my anchor, call it something that makes sense. You can't use spaces. And there are a few other things you can't use here. Recommended to just make it short, make it sweet. If you have to use an underscore, you can, but that's going to be about it. Hit OK. Now I've created an anchor to this part of my page. Let's say I want to anchor it from here, and we want to say something like, check out our required, oh my goodness, course list. Make it sound like really exciting with that exclamation point there. We'll put a link here. So you're going to use the same tool for all of these, except for the courses. That link, now you see an extra field open up that says we're linking to an anchor. I'll click that link to an anchor, hit OK. Now, when I click OK and go back out and close my edit toolbars, if I'm down like this and I click on required course list, it's going to bring required courses where I put my anchor all the way back up to the top of the screen. Now in our next environment, it looks silly because it's under that edit page button, but in the live environment, there's not going to be that edit page button. So it is accurately taking you up to that line. It just looks a little silly in the next environment. All right, super speed racer, here we go. Next, we're going into our required courses. Now, for a lot of you, you might see on your program page, stop getting creative, mouse. On your program page, where you have your program requirements, it might look something like this. When you click that edit page, you'll notice there's an edit page body and also a gray box that says edit content from shared/biology-major. That's okay. Just click into the one that's in the gray box to get into your actual program requirements. If I just click edit page body, I am editing well, it's making a liar out of me. Never mind. Typically, if you just click edit page body, it's editing only kind of the text around it. So it looks like you can click either one here. Those seem to be linked. But clicking into the shared page is going to be the one that definitely 100% will get you into that data that you're trying to edit. Now, I've made a bit of a copy of this and put it on the other tab for me to work through, so I'm not messing up actual program requirements for the bio department. I'll scroll all the way down and we'll see that we are in a course list. Now, this course list is outlined in blue, meaning that most likely there's going to be some data behind this. It's not necessarily just text. We'll talk about what that might look like in a bit. If I need to edit this, all I have to do is double click into that blue box, just like I double clicked into the inline course link to get in there. And what I'm going to see is over on the right-hand side is the list of all of my courses. So if I compare those, I'm seeing 2960 is the first one up here. That's because it's been chosen. It's already in our course list. 2970 is next. Chem 111A. I was most scared of Gen Chem at Georgia Tech. That was terrifying to me. Bio was way more a vibe for myself. I don't know about y'all, but so you can see all of these required courses listed on the right-hand side. Now, let's say that I need to remove a course from here and put a different course in. When would I need to do that? Of course, if our curriculum has changed, I would definitely need to do that. Or, for example, if you're seeing some course not found issues for an actual course. So this right here is going to show course not found because L87 SDS 2200 is not recognized in our SIS as an actual course code. So because mine's just an example, I'm going to go into mine and do this. I would not do this on an actual page for you. But let's just say, for the sake of demonstration, this was an old course number and we've changed our course number for this course. Maybe Workday has our new course information. What Workday doesn't know is where did that course information go into the catalog? Where does it need to replace the old course information? That's what the humans know. So the humans do have to go in and remove these course not found issues and bring in new courses. So what I would do here is I would just click the course I want to remove and click the arrows to the left to get rid of that course. Once I've clicked those arrows, we'll see the course go on to the left. Don't worry, it's not like adding data into our curricular data or anything like that. It's just removing it from the interface that we're looking at. Then, wherever I want to add my new course, I'll make sure that my cursor is there. So let's say I do want it to be after Calculus 2. I'll go back in, I'll choose my course, and let's say it's something that doesn't make any sense, of course. The oncology healthcare team. That sounds cool. And we'll throw this over by clicking the right hand arrows, throwing those right in over here. So wherever my cursor was, it's going to add the course right underneath where my cursor was. Now, you could also, instead of going over and clicking, you have this quick add field. Quick add allows you to just type in your course code. So you all know your course codes. You'll probably be utilizing this a lot more than me. I can add my course there and then just click add course and it goes right over on the right-hand side where my cursor was. Now, let's say I add it somewhere I didn't mean to add it. I can move down or move up an item based on which one I've actually clicked. So if I want 244 to go down, I could just say move down and it'll move it down in our list. Or I can move it back up. It'll move it up in our list. I cannot click and drag. So that's one thing we can't do. Can't click and drag. Apologies for that one. I also wish we could click and drag. Now, if you are in a department and or you're going through this and you're realizing like, wait a second, I'm not having any courses show up here. What am I actually supposed to do? We do have the ability to, instead of adding these actual linked courses, you can add a comment instead. So let's say I'm in a department where these aren't showing up, I'm not able to choose, but I still need to add, I don't know, biology 2652. What do I do? We're not going to be able to use this tool as it is meant to be used, but putting it in a comment is still going to put the course where it needs to be. So actually, sorry, not here in the comment field. We're actually going to be putting a comment entry. My apologies. I'm not trying to confuse anyone. So instead of going up into my courses here, I'll click Add Comment Entry. In Add Comment Entry, then I can type in my course code, let's say 2651. I'll hit OK. And then what's going to happen is where I put it, Biology 2651 is still going to show up. But if it's not actually in our data, it's not going to hyperlink there. Mine is hyperlinking because I chose an actual course. But for you all, it would not be hyperlinking there if you're not having that data show up from Workday. Okay, so that's how we can manually add courses to a course list. You'll go into your course list, you'll double click into your course list, you'll scroll where you would like it, then you will add comment entry to add a new course there. Okay. Once you have clicked add comment entry, you will notice that my comment entry here is editable down here. So that's why I accidentally started talking about this comment field underneath, because once you've added your comment entry, the text shows up here. I can do more stuff there. So that's where that's going to show up. It will show up right where it was supposed to. So that extra kind of comment field underneath populates with whatever you have put in your comment entry there. So if you add a comment, oh, sorry, go ahead.
Oh, you're probably getting into right now. I was just going to say like how we can add the titles and the units. Are you going to go over that real quick?
Oh, sure. Yeah, let's do it.
Okay, thank you.
Yeah. So if you need, by titles, do you mean like
like if you know the course title? Yeah, exactly. Just with the double colon in between to add the title.
Yep. Oh, to add the title. Wait. I'm thinking double colon to add the credit hours.
So the way I know how to do it is if you type in that course code and then the 2 colons, and then you can put your course title there, but then you can still add the units in the box.
Ah, okay, yes. So course title here, and then add the units there. Yeah. Sorry, I was like, wait a second. The double colon is used for adding units. There we go. Thank you, Jen. Yes. So to make it, I'm picking up what you're putting down. So yes, because mine automatically hyperlinked, I was like, why would I need to add a title? To add the course title into the other column. That's the trick that Jen was just talking about. You'll put a double colon after the course code here. Then you will type the course title right after that in this box. And again, this box is editable. And you do have the ability to change to put the credit hours or units under there. So I could put those under there. Normally, if you've been editing before and you go in and you put some credit hours on a course list row, it's not going to like you if you're not adding up. But because the Workday issue is being worked out, you can do that manually that way. Thanks, Jen. I don't think I've ever done that before, actually. I've seen it done, but I don't think I've actually done. All righty. So that's how you'll do it if those courses are not showing up for you in this drop-down area. Questions on adding courses there before we move on to some more complex things like OR classes and that sort of a thing? It actually might not let us do OR classes with just comments. All right. So you will notice here in our previous rows, we've got a lot of these like Chem 11 or 111A or Chem 105, 112A or Chem 106. You can do that when CourseLeaf recognizes it as a course, but currently if we're putting it in as a comment, it's not recognizing it. So the way that you could maybe get around that would be by when you are in your course list, and of course, whatever direction Jen gives you as to what verbiage to use would be the best way to do it. But if you need to include one of these courses that's not showing up for you over here in something like an OR or something like a cross-reference or something, you can go ahead and add a comment entry that is saying something other than a course name. So you could say, take either, obviously use whatever verbiage is preferable for WashU. Take either this one, and then we could say or, and then add another one. So let's say about 1770. Oh man, sorry, let me do my comment entry. So we're overriding the system a little bit. Alrighty. So you can do it like that. It's going to be a little bit wonkier than if you had your course codes here, but you're able to do it. Again, it's the same as if you had a course code here or an actual course here. Our credit hours are adding up there. So if you do want to make sure that only one of these values is going into kind of the total, what you're going to do is you're going to indent these lines. So I would indent each course. See if it's going to work for us here. I'm hoping it's going to work for us here. And then you'll put your units on the comment entry above the actual course. Yay, so it works even for courses that are not in there. So as a review, if you are offering options, whether it's an OR course or whether you could take this or this or this or this or this, each course that is an option, you would indent. Indent is just a checkbox in that course list. So it's right here in our course list. You'll just choose the course you want to kind of remove those credits from the total and indent it, and then indent that one. So you'll indent each one of those. Then you'll put the credit hours you want to be represented on that comment entry. So indented things are not included in the total. Non-indented things are always included in the total. So just make sure that if you're offering options in a course list, you're going to be putting those credits on the actual comment. Jen, do you all tend to use ranges for options of courses if they're different in credit hours, or do you do the double colon and then a number after that?
I think we usually leave it as a range. What?
Okay.
It
There you
doesn't
go.
come up a whole lot, but yeah.
Yeah. Just making sure so we can do kind of what we need. Alrighty, questions about kind of finagling the course list to do what you want it to do, whether these are hyperlinked because they're actually showing up from Workday or comment entries. Oh yeah, Sarah asked, will you be sending the recording to us? There you go. Now, the same as the red box that we saw in my course list that had that like LD87 interesting course code, the red boxes are going to show up here. They also might show up in text. So you can see in my text under my course list, I've got some other red boxes here. Now, this looks like just a data issue, so that might not be typical. But something like this, biology 343A, if you change a course code and the old course code is displaying in your catalog, you will get this red box and you'll need to come in and check on it. And by check on it, I mean you can go back, double click in there, go into the department of the course you need and choose the new or more accurate one. So let's say 343A we got rid of, but maybe now we have 3423, and that's really what we meant. We would hit OK, and that's how we would resolve an error like that. So if we see red in our course lists, we delete the course and add a new one. If we see red in our boxes here, we just double click into the box and change the course from our inline course list. Now here from the actual front of the page, If I click on those, all it's going to do is tell me not found, not found, not found, not found. Alrighty. So we only have a few minutes left. That's kind of the very quick how to do course lists. I do want to talk a little bit about the tools up here. So as you're editing, you're going to be able to see the differences between how the page was when you started editing and what it is like right now. So if I click show differences, this is going to show me what was on the page before I started my edits. So this is all new because I created this whole tab. So it's all showing up as green there. Before I started editing this round, there was nothing there. I didn't change anything on this page, so we're not going to see any changes to this other tab here. But that's just useful if you want to look at how much work you've done and see what changes have been made since the last version there. Now, you'll also see this accessibility report. I talked a little bit about headers and how it's important to make sure that those are going kind of level by level, and we're using those. If you remember, I left page body editor as a bold line of text. When I click the accessibility report, what's going to happen is it's going to notice every single time there was bold, but a header was not used. So it's actually also noticing more than just what I had. You'll notice mine is down here because it's on tab 2. If I go to my overview, then I'll probably notice that this is bold, area A, cellular molecular biology, and it was caught by the accessibility tool. All right. So if I'm the bio editor or the bio owner, I might want to come in and make sure that my A, B, and C headings are headings and not bold, italicized text. So that's one tool we have up there. Another tool we have is the accuracy report. This is going to show us if there are any courses that are mentioned that have those red boxes around them. All right. So accuracy report will show us. Now it's going to show us for if there are multiple tabs. So if you're on the first tab and you don't see any of the things it's talking about, go to the second tab because it's also reporting on the second tab. So it's looking at any tabs in the page. It'll show you, oh, there are a couple errors here. You need to scroll down and make sure you fix those. So we've got 3200 and 2200. Seems to be the common error there.
The other thing with those two is there is like a global report that I'll run on my side, and I will reach out to people if there are any that are unresolved as we get closer to publication.
Woohoo. Yeah, they just help instead of like having to scroll through everything to just kind of get a view of what needs to be fixed like right off the bat. Another tool you're going to find useful for yourself up here is the setup tool. Now, we're not going to really be touching much in the setup tool, but what you might want to be touching is the contact information here at the top of the page. Notice if I'm in my overview tab and I go all the way down to the bottom, there we go. We've got a link to the bio page, but we've also got a phone number, an email, and a website link. Those are set up using our website, our phone number, and our email. So the setup tool is what's responsible for populating this table. If you need to update that info, just remember that's a totally different tool than the page body editor. You're going to be frustrated if you go in and try to edit this information and you can't access it from our page body editor. So that's that upper left-hand corner setup tool. Finally, maybe you get word through the Workday, the kinks that we're working out here that now all the data should be good to go for this page. What should you do once you get word that the data is good to go to make it work? You can hit republish this page. Republishing this page just brings in all the fresh data from our SIS. It would also bring in like if there was any information that was on this page that was updated elsewhere, but just kind of borrowed and placed on this page. If that was updated, it would refresh that data as well. So it's basically just bringing in any new info that needs to be displayed on this page. And that is going to help you make sure that your course lists are accurate, that any of those red boxes are actually red boxes. They're not just some weird issues. But republish this page is kind of a data grab and display. Alrighty. So those are kind of the major tools. You also have the view as PDF up here, which just helps you view this one page you're looking at in PDF format. There is just kind of a standard PDF format. It's 2 columns here. And you can tell that the cellular molecular biology title does look quite different from our title here, for example. It's a different font and everything altogether. So you can really see it on the PDF as well. You can see my wonderful training tab information here that makes no sense. But it'll give you just a view of kind of what it's supposed to look like once the page is put into PDF for things like archiving, that sort of thing. And finally, I know we're at time. Last but not least, this help button is the button that takes you out to the external site. If you go to LilyPad University from that help button, it went away. You can click LilyPad University, go in here, start searching for your university. When you hit go, it'll take you to sign in using your Washington University credentials, and then you can access any of that help page information. Now, that help page information is just kind of general, what does this button do? Because all of our clients might use buttons differently. So if you have questions that are more geared toward what am I supposed to do on this page, that one's going to be Jen and Jen's team as well. But I know we're at time. If you got questions though, let me know. Otherwise, Jen, do you have anything else for us today?
I don't really think that I do. Thank you so much, Anna, and thanks to everybody for
Absolutely.
attending. And again, as everyone gets started with their pages, please reach out to me, by phone, email, or Teams with any questions. And yeah, unless there's anything anybody has right now, I guess we are done.
Alright. Sweet.
I have a question.
Thanks. Oh, yeah. Go for
Sure.
it. Jen.
With the bulletin needing to be, with workday coming on for students, is there like a timeline in terms of the new course numbers being uploaded and all of that good stuff?
So this is sort of what we are currently working on with CourseLeaf. There's, I'm not entirely clear what all the issues are. We're trying to dig into that right now. We are kind of making a decision whether we just want to have everything entered as text for this year and then come back in next year and relink everything so that we know all the, the new 4-digit numbers and all the other code changes are correct. I'm trying to give the process another kind of week or two to see if we're gonna get what we need or if we need to go that route. I know Arts and Sciences has already said, let's just enter everything as text for this year. So we will definitely get something out to everybody in the near future here. I know that's not super helpful right this minute, but that's all I know right now. And I guess, all right, yeah, if there's no other questions, I will go ahead and end the meeting. Thank you all again.